What is going on, you guys? Welcome back to the channel. It's been a minute since we've done one of these weekend work in the garage type videos, so that's what we're gonna do today. I just got these cars moved up here because today we're gonna be working on the Toyota trucks actually. So the 4Runner, Eric's Sequoia, and Ryan's 100 series LX470. Gonna be a bit of a maintenance day. I definitely want to get some videos out when we hit trails and things like that. We went for the first time a few weeks ago and it's super fun. I think we're all addicted at this point. But real quick, here's the Miata, just chilling. Nothing's really changed recently. I don't think I ever covered this much, but I just finished a lot of work on Cole's Accord. So we got the whole new front end on, pre-facelift bumper, wings west lip kit all the way around, front lip, side skirts, rear lip, shaved the license plate filler in the front bumper, custom Bozer hood, shaved the washer nozzles, basically repainted the whole front end and the kit just in time to get it out to Southern Fresh last Saturday. That was a really good time. So yeah, these things are chilling, looking good. We're gonna work on the trucks today. Next week we're gonna have a big Miata maintenance video. We're gonna be doing a clutch, flywheel, slave, and clutch master on Cole's Miata, so definitely stay tuned for that. But yeah, let's get into it. Alright, so both Eric's truck and my truck have this drive shaft clunk, which seems to be pretty common actually. So
What is it?
the like when you come off the brake, it feels like you can feel it. It's like you're getting hit in the back or something.
Yeah, it's like you got bumped.
Yeah, and like sometimes when you're coming to a stop too. So we got the slip yoke off. We're gonna grease this up and hopefully it should fix it. Alright, seems to have fixed the issue on Eric's truck, so we're gonna do mine now. Alright, a little mid-video update. It's the next day. Yesterday we got the drive shafts lubed up on the 4Runner and the Sequoia. Fixed that problem, so that's all good. Got some serpentine belt and idler pulleys and stuff done on the LX470. Then last night we started tearing the suspension out of this thing because today we're going to be doing the lift. So we had to get the factory height control out of here, so that was a bunch of lines, a reservoir, draining fluid, all that stuff. So now we're gonna get the stock suspension out, and we got new stuff from Old Man Emu to lift this thing. So it should be pretty sweet, but we got a good bit to do, so we're gonna go ahead and get started. All right, we just finished up the suspension lift on the LX470. That was a ton of work. There was also a bit of a learning curve, some stuff we had to figure out, especially with the front torsion bars. But it's done. It rides really good. So I think we're pretty pleased with that. He's gonna put on his 33-inch tires this week and he should be good to go. So that should pretty much do it for this one. Hopefully this was somewhat enjoyable to watch. Kind of a random weekend of working on all sorts of stuff. And I think I may have misspoke at the beginning of the video about the Miata clutch install. I don't think that's gonna be next week, but the following week. So next weekend might actually be another mess around with Toyotas type weekend. We'll see. But I'm gonna go for now. Thank you so much for watching. Have an awesome week, and we will see you in the next one.